We complete the installation of the Teasley pipeline, and we're filling it with water and prepare it for disinfection.
What we had to do is calculate the appropriate dosage needed for effectively disinfecting the entire pipeline for AWWA standards. They're set up here. We have water being passed through, and we inject our disinfectant at the appropriate rate. And what we're going to do is let it sit, soak, and then we will sample. So just filling this tube up right here. Transfer it over in here. All right. So take the potassium iodide reagent and our disinfected pipe water, and it's going to turn a nice color. Okay. And then this is sulfonic acid reagent. Give it a swirl. And then we take our sodium thiosulfate, which basically will measure how much of the how much chlorine is actually in the pipeline, knowing that we meet or we're above the standards.